Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got another really cool unboxing, and yeah, it's a slider. But yeah, before I get into what kind of slider, I'm gonna go into what kind of sliders we have reviewed. So this is the Magnus Rail, currently without the O-rings in it. Titanium, Teflon plates, standard like metal slider, free floating slider. Then you have the Toad X from Magnus as well. Titanium body, Teflon plates, same as this. They also come in Zerk plates and Zerk bodies, but I only have the Teflon stuff. And then we've also reviewed the Motorworks wrapped. This is the stainless steel version, steel plates and everything. And that's stainless steel body and stainless steel plates. And then this is my personal one, titanium body and then steel plates. One of my favorite pieces of my collection. I love this thing. I beat it up, use it every day. And then we've had some compo form sliders. This is the V1.1 mini. It's a pivot slider and not free floating slider, but they also do make free floating ones, but I haven't bought that one yet. So yeah, that'll be coming soon. And then they've also had these, the 3D printed stuff. And then this was by far my favorite, and the one I kept. It just beats every other one. But today we're gonna be reviewing something special and different. Maybe I don't think a lot of you have heard of these sliders, but they're very popular in the groups. And yeah, this is the Beatrix slider. I believe it's made from carbon fiber. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up. Comes in this little gold packaging. There you go. Nothing in here. I'm gonna throw that out. So yeah, here's the slider itself with a lot of confetti. So alright. These are magnets, I believe. And this is the card of authenticity. Beatrix slider 7123. Miami Vise. Camo carbon. That's the material. And then yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna throw all this out first. Alright, I think that's a slider. And that's candy, and this is candy, and this is also candy. Alright, I'm gonna leave this stuff in here. I don't want to throw all that stuff away. I love Haichu, so I'm gonna eat this. My favorite flavor as well, but these I don't much like. But thank you though. So let's check what's here. Some extra magnets and slide tape. That's dope. And yeah, all right. Let's get into the slider. Really excited to see what this feels like. I don't know if you guys know Tim from the Facebook groups, or Mitchell is his real name, but he absolutely is crazy about these things, which also got me wondering. So I finally wanted to try one. And so yeah, here it is. I'm gonna put this in here, and these in there, close it up, put it to the side, and here it is. Miami Vice. Great, there's a kid screaming outside. Miami Vice is the name of this material, or what do you call this slider? Oh my god. And the material was camo carbon. Pretty cool. Look at this thing. Looks so nice. So Generally talking, I am not the biggest fan of light sliders. But the reason I like this one so much is that it doesn't fall off at all, which is why I like this and I kept it. But other than that, I like these heavy metal sliders. Not really heavy. I like titanium body and like some kind of zirconium or steel plates. If it was magnets, I'll get zirconium plates. And then the Mortis Work stuff only comes in this version, which is still amazing. I would keep these, wouldn't want any other plates. But I've heard nothing but good things about these sliders, so I decided to give it a try. And I got these through like a sus post. It's where you just like sign up and then the maker just randomly picks who gets to buy it. And I somehow won. I wasn't even expecting to win this. So yeah, let's try it. First, click. Ooh. Maybe even a little bit too strong. Yeah, these magnets are really, really strong, but normally I would hate it. But man, this material is different. I kind of like it. And that's a bit rough to slide. I just gotta get used to this material. But I think I will definitely need some of that slide tape. It feels weird, but I like it. I wish the magnets weren't super strong, but I talked to the maker, and then he was like, yeah, I kind of have to make them strong, because otherwise they don't slide that well. I think you just gotta break the plates in. So that they slide better. But yeah, I definitely need some tape on this thing for sure. Just one side though. Gonna try that out. Alright. Also, you can see through this thing. Pretty cool. Yeah, I will say the magnets are a bit too strong. Alright. Oh, come on. Alright, there we go. There we go. Perfect fitment. Oh yeah, much better. One sec, I gotta cut this tape out now. 1 second. feels like I gotta clean up the edges a bit more in some places. Okay, so I've been playing with this thing off camera for about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, and I love it. With the tape, it's great. I'll say that. It slides way better and smoother. I think he did say he put extra strong magnets in this thing. So yeah. But let me quickly get a sound test going for you guys. Not loud at all, but like those ones are really loud, like 89, because the magnets are super strong. But other than that, these things are dope. Not loud, quiet. Maybe like I'll even tape this side later on and see how it does. Oh, I gotta clean up these holes. Let me see if I can do that. All right. Second. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna leave those. I don't know. Maybe later on I'll fix them. I can still see through it, so not that big of a deal. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave it. Can you do these same tricks as the other sliders? Yeah. Yeah, man, this thing's great. I would definitely recommend it if you guys can even get your hands on one. Also, I'm gonna leave the page for these products down below. The Facebook page is where you guys can get them. But yeah, definitely check them out down below. But yeah, this thing is great. I would give this thing a 9.5 out of 10. The magnets are strong, super strong, a bit too strong. That's why you can't really slide it that, like you can't really throw it like this that well. But with the tape, it made it much easier. Maybe I think with this side taped as well, it'll be even easier. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.